Hi everyone, welcome to the Dawn Kitchen. Guys, today I will be doing a quick and easy recipe, and this is a new recipe I will be doing. It's a Frankfurter with sweet plantain. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. And to all my YouTubers, subscribers, followers, supporters, a big warm welcome. Welcome to you all. Big up. One Frankfurter. And this is a beef. I know there's something you hardly can see. It's a overripe plantain. So you have an overripe plantain, don't throw it out. You can use it to do so many things. Half cup buttermilk. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon vanilla. 1 teaspoon baking powder. A pinch of salt. You can use 1 teaspoon of dark sugar or some honey, but I'm just exempting the sugar out. I don't want any sugar in this recipe. Also, you need your oil for frying. You need a fork to crush the plantain, or a NutriBullet or a blender. We're gonna peel the plantain. Okay, this is our overripe plantain. So you're just gonna cut up the plantain in your blender or your NutriBullet, or you can always use a fork. I'm gonna pour the buttermilk in it and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In a bowl, we will be sieving the flour and the baking powder. You can add some more flour. This look too small, right? So if it's too small for you, you can always use 1 more cup of flour. But I'm not making a lot. And the salt. Pour the salt. And you're gonna cut up the beef Frankfurter as fine as you can. So you combine the Frankfurter with the flour, and you're gonna mix it around. I think this looks so small. I feel like I want to add half more cup of flour to this. It looks so small. Like, I'm gonna add a little more flour in, 1/4 cup, just a little. You see, I got a little more fritters. And you're gonna pour so definitely you don't need any water whatsoever to mix this. So beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you like what you see and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. Like this video, share this video with a friend of a friend, and hit that notification bell for the latest when D Dawn is doing a video. You will be the first to know. And please be sure to leave a SSS comment. You know what is SSS? Short, sweet, and spicy. So ensure you mix the flour out. I think I need to write a book, you know. Let me scrape the rest of this liquid in. I need to write a cooking book because I have so much new recipe. I'm gonna put out a book in the future. I'm thinking about it. Let's scrape all our stuff out. So you see everything is out. And it takes between 4 to 5 minutes to fry. But please, you have to be standing. Do not remove 1 inch, else may I tell you it will burn up. Jamaican would say it will burn up. Meantime, let me once scrape this down so I can get 1 more to fry. Yeah, it's a lot in this. They don't want to waste nothing. Yeah, so there we go. We have 1 more. And let me turn this quickly. It's ready to turn. You see, that's why you don't want to leave and go nowhere. So we're going to remove. You just want to press. Use a fork and press in the center. Nothing not pulping up. Your fritters is baked. You can even use a fork to bore it and then press. You see? Nothing coming up. And you want to shake, 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 shake. And put on the napkin. And we have 1 more. And this is the last one. They always say you save the best for last. So remember you press. We're just gonna remove it from the oil. Shake, 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 shake. And you're gonna place it on the napkin. You just need a napkin to absorb the oil from it. You can even use a napkin and wrap it on top and just press on it, like what I'm doing. So you see the reason why you use a napkin. Look at even my hand. It's soaked with oil. So you have to use a napkin when you fry fritters. Or these things, you can always pattern it with a napkin to absorb some of the oil. Guys, look at our sweet plantain Frankfurter with buttermilk. fritters is now ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? Yeah, so why not? Please give it a try. I know you will enjoy it. You can have this for breakfast, for lunch, for supper. You're watching television. It's a quick snap. So give it a try and enjoy. I thank you, my beautiful people, for watching The Dawn Kitchen. Please be safe, take care of yourself, and above all, take care of each other. I'm just gonna break one off of these lovely, tasteful, mouth-watering fritters so you can see how it is looking, guys. Look at this, beautiful people. Look at the inside. Look at this. So delicious. So give it a try. Well soaked. Look at all the Frankfurter in it. Mouth watering. Give it a try. Give it a try, beautiful people. And enjoy. I thank you all.